Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna say wow, really wow. It's been a year since I started to make content and I'm really in a mixed feelings. I didn't think that I would make it this far. I didn't think that I will continue to make content. I thought I will just do it for a week or 2 weeks, but I just continued to do it. I don't have enough followers to, motivate me. I don't have enough people watching my videos to continue. I don't have that much of audience yet. I didn't make a penny on social media yet. It's been a year and I have on YouTube, I have 2,400 subscribers subscribe. I have 8,000 followers on Instagram and I have 1,000 followers on TikTok. Can you imagine, like you have been making content for a year and you only have 1,000 followers on TikTok? So I'm saying this to say there were a lot of things, that could have stopped me. There were a lot of things that could have make excuses. I recorded videos when I had nothing to say. I recorded videos when I was down, when I was crying, when I was lonely, when I was, there is literally nothing. I had no reason. When I had no reason to continue recording, I went in front of that camera and I recorded whatever I felt. Sometimes I write scripts, sometimes I don't write, sometimes I just go in front of the camera and just record however I feel and whatever I feel like saying. So thank you to everybody who has clicked, commented, subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. I know my channel's audience is not that big, but I bet you and I promise you I'm not gonna stop to whatever reason, even if I have 1 million of reasons to stop. I will stick in with that one reason to continue, because this is not a game. This is not a hobby. This is something I want to achieve. This is something I really want to do, and I want to help people either learning English, either learning French, either motivating people and helping people who are going through tough times. I just like to listen to you and talk to you. The followers, the numbers, the views, yes, I cannot deny it is really important. And there were weeks where I had literally 0 views. Nobody cares about my videos, and that could have stopped me. For real. Now I'm just saying, I had no equipment, I had no microphone, I didn't know anything about editing, lights, frames, doing all of this, crazy stuff. But I just said, man, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna keep going. I don't care. There will be a day where someone watches my video and at that time I will go to the top of the views, top of the money, top of everything. This is just this is not a permanent period for this channel or for whoever is making content. I just want to tell you to keep going, keep posting, don't stop. I'm going through it too. I literally had a week on this channel. Can you imagine? You put on like 14 videos on YouTube and your total views are 800 or something. That could have stopped me. That could have really demotivated me and made me quit. But I promise you, as long as I'm healthy, as long as I'm strong, as long as I can speak and talk, I will always give you this content, and I will always help you and talk to you and be the guy that the ideal self that I always dreamed to be, right? So thank you so much. Thank you to myself also, because as I said, I was the only person, and I'm still, and I'll always be the person who believes in me, and no matter how I feel, regardless of my feelings, whether they are good or bad, or positive or negative. I will always do this until I succeed. And even after succeeding, I'm not gonna stop. I will grow and help more people like me, like you, and whoever want to give me a watch or a listen. So thank you very much. Support my channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down, let me know your thoughts. Are you a content creator? Do you want to make content? What do you think about my content? Please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.